Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to break a line. So as example you can draw a line, and the next if you want to break these lines we can use the break tools. Type break, press enter, and I will click at this point and then click again to another area to break the line. First you need to active for the snapping object. You can right click in OSNAP, go to setup, and then you can select all snap option. Click OK. So you can break again by using break command. Press enter and select the objects. Now I will use the first point option. You can press F to choose the first point. Press enter, and I will click in here for the first point, and also click in this point for the second point. So it will be break into two lines. Okay, another option you can tap again break, select the line objects, and then press F, enter. I will click from this point, break into this point. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial how to break a line.